all over my mouth.
Want to eat the house? Maybe you can make a hole in the top, man.
What?
Maybe you can make a hole in the top. Take the side right off.
It's like where I'm going. It's like we're monsters eating a snowman house.
Right, take a bite. There's a big hole in it. Look at what Daddy made. You ready, Nathan?
Oh.
Yeah, make a big hole. So you make a big hole. You little putzer.
He went for the wreath.
You want my daddy's wreath?
Ben, sit on the chair.
Oh, there's a big hole in it now.
All the little gingerbread people are going to be cold tonight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, it's a little hole for there.
Make it bigger, man. Make a big trumpet. Nice, Taco.
Oh. Can you? Oh.